Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about the experiment number 7, that is objective to determine the compressive strength of the concrete cube. Means what is the compressive strength of the concrete cube we will find in this experiment. Okay, material required. First of all, what is the material required for that? That is cube molds of 100 mm or 150 mm size. Means we need a cube mold in which we fix our material, that is of 100 mm or 150 mm. In this experiment, we will use the cube mold of 150 mm size. Okay. Then electronic weighing machine to measure the mixture, to measure the material we are using. Okay. Cement, aggregate, sand, water, etc. Then tray. In that tray we make our mixture. Compressive testing machine in which we test the compressive strength by applying the load. Okay, its capacity may be 100 tons, 200 tons, 300 tons according to the size. Okay, now the procedure. First of all, for the compressive strength testing of concrete cube, firstly take a material. We have to take the material, means we have to arrange the material. Okay, then take a dry proportions of the material, that is in your ratio, that is 1:1, 1 by half, ratio 3, as per the Indian Standard Code 456/2000. Okay, then after mix that mixture. After weighing the firstly mixture, that is mixture dry, means first of all weight that mixture in the weighing machine, and then after mix that all the mixture in the dry condition only. Okay, don't mix the water. First of all mix this mixture properly, then after add the water according to the proportion you are using. Okay, after that mix that mixture properly, then after that by adding water mix it properly again. Okay, uh, using scope file, that concrete to be used in cube mold, means after mixing that mixture properly, aggregate or concrete, the concrete will be prepared. Then it should be filled in the concrete mold. First of all take the concrete mold, fix their nuts, and then fill that mixture in that concrete mold. After filling, do compaction properly so that there should not be voids left. Okay, after doing that, use a trowel given to the top of the surface to make plane. Means after compaction, use the trowel to make the surface of the top surface of the cube mold to be plain surface. Okay, after that it is covered by wet gunny bags for the period of 24 hours, temperature 27 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then after filling that mold, cover that mold with the gunny bags for 24 hours. Okay, at the temperature 27 degree plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, after 24 hours, remove that cover from gunny bags from that cube mold, and remold that cube mold, and take out your cube from that mold. Okay, then taken to the kept submerged in the plain fresh water in the temperature 27 plus minus degree Celsius. Then what you have to do, after taking out that cubes to be placed in the submerged water for 24 hours. Okay, in the temperature 27 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, then after that these cubes are kept in that water for 7 days, 21 days, 28 days, 14 days, etc. Okay, after that these cubes are taken out after every 7 days. Okay, then it is taken out before half an hour, means when you taken out that cubes before testing, it should be taken out half an hour before the testing period. Okay, after that it should be in a dry condition, means the cube you are taken out from the submerged water, it should be in a dry condition. Then you go for the testing machine for compressive strength test. Then place that it is placed in the loading unit, and then the load is applied to the opposite side. Now place that cube in the loading unit. Okay, it should be placed in a proper manner, and the load will be applied. Slowly we apply the load at the rate of 140 kg per centimeter per unit till the cube breaks. Now you have to apply the load slowly. Don't apply the load suddenly. The load will be applied of 140 kg per centimeter per minute. Okay, until and unless it should not be break, till that you have to apply the load. The maximum load at which the cube is break, it is taken as a compressive load. Means whatever the load at which the cube breaks, note down the reading and take that as a compressive load. After that, record that reading and do it again for the next cubes also. Repeat the procedure similarly. Now the observation, you have 3 cubes, we have taken 3 cubes, so I have written here 3 cubes. Whatever number of cubes you have taken, you have to write that only. Okay, then I have written here 3 cubes. Then their cross sectional area. Okay, cross sectional area, as I told you that 100 mm or 150 mm, so I told you that about 150 mm, so you have to write here 150 mm. According to the 150 mm, you have to take the cross sectional area. Okay, then compressive load, whatever the load you measure at the time when the cube breaks, maximum load, that you have to write down here. Then compressive strength you can find from the different cubes. Okay, now calculation for compressive strength, that we have to know the formula. What is the formula for that? First of all, cross section area we have to know. For 15 centimeter cube, our cross section area will be 15 into 15 centimeter. Then we got 225 centimeter square as our cross sectional area. Then for compressive strength, there is a formula, that is compressive strength is equals to compressive load upon cross sectional area of the specimen. Now compressive load you can got by when the cube is breaks, you can got from there itself. And the cross section area, it is 15 for 15 centimeter, it is 225 centimeter square is the cross sectional area. Okay, similarly for the 3 cubes, find the 3 compressive strength, and from that 3 compressive strength you have to find the average compressive strength, and that will be your result, means average of compressible strength. And the unit for compressive strength is kilogram per centimeter square. Okay, in this way you can find the compressive strength of the concrete cube. Okay, now the precaution, use proper proportion of mixture, means whatever the proportion mixture you are using, it should be in a proper manner or proper proportion. Okay, applied load must be slowly applied, means the load you are applying, it should be applied slowly, not suddenly you can apply the load. Okay, in this way your experiment number 7 has been completed. Okay, write down this experiment in your practical files.